Today, I'm going to walk you through how to track your time and create timesheet reports in Jira. Whether you're managing a team, handling solo projects, or simply want more control over your workday, understanding Jira's time logging tools can help you stay organized, meet deadlines, and boost your productivity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to log your hours, update your remaining estimates, and generate timesheets for smarter project management. All right, let's dive in and start by getting Jira up and running. First, open Jira in your browser. If you're already logged in, you'll land right on your dashboard or project board. If not, just enter your credentials. Think of Jira as your digital workspace. It's where all your tasks, issues, and project timelines come together. Keeping this space updated helps everyone on your team stay in sync. Next, let's find the specific task you want to log time for. You can use the search bar at the top, scan through your backlog, or filter by assignee if you're juggling multiple projects. Clicking on the task brings up all its details, kind of like opening a folder and seeing everything you need in one place. This step is important. Accurate time tracking starts with making sure you're logging work against the right issue. At the top of the task details, you'll see 3 dots, sometimes labeled as actions, or arranged in a little menu. Click on these dots to reveal extra options. Jira blends a lot of features together, so if you don't see the 3 dots right away, try expanding the task pane or looking for more options. It might just be tucked a little to the side depending on your setup. From the menu that pops up, choose Log Work. This is where the magic happens. The Log Work dialog is like your time diary. It helps you keep track of how much effort you've spent, and it keeps your workload realistic. In the Log Work window, you'll be prompted to enter the time you've spent on this particular task. You can use hours, minutes, or even days, depending on your work pattern. For example, if you spent 2 hours fixing a bug or 3 days developing a feature, note it down here. There's also a field for time remaining. This is where you estimate how much more work is left for this task. If you're not sure, it's okay to guess. Over time, these estimates help you improve at predicting task durations and keeping your projects on track. Once you've entered your time data, double-check everything looks right. If you're logging work for the first time, don't worry. Mistakes can be edited later. Now, just hit Save. Your time is officially logged and visible to your team, project leads, and anyone tracking project progress. Remember, consistent logging is about more than just accountability. It helps prevent surprises at crunch time and gives everyone a clearer picture of how work is progressing. Now, let's talk about creating timesheet reports. To really dig into your logged hours, go to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Jira integrates with a variety of time tracking apps like Tempo Timesheets or Clockify. These apps make it easy to visualize your time, generate reports, and even share them with clients or managers. Don't be afraid to explore which app fits your workflow best. Some offer charts, export features, and even reminders to log work at the end of each day. And that's it. By logging your work and exploring timesheet apps, you're empowering yourself to manage time better, deliver projects on schedule, and collaborate more efficiently, whether you're flying solo or part of a big team. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on practical Jira tips and tricks. See you in the next video.